Are you stuck in your product owner career and want to take over control of your future? Hi, I'm Paulina, a certified agile coach and product owner with more than 10 years of experience in IT project and product management. In this webinar, I will show you the secret way I discovered as a product owner and optimized as an agile leader for developing your product owner career. I will show you how you get in 4 simple steps from feeling unseen to becoming a true expert. From being an average product owner to stand out by crafting your personal USP. From feeling stressed and overwhelmed by your product owner job to working professionally. From being rejected for promotion to being first choice for your dream job. And from having no arguments at all for a raise to easily get the salary you are dreaming of. Claim your seat now for the webinar and boost your product owner career. I'm looking forward to meet you.